Beautiful day. Feels like spring. Heading to Austin this afternoon. We're going to be there till Sunday. Basically the weekend. We leave after the race Sunday. So, we only got 4 today. Not bad. Weather should be good on both ends. Oh, here we go. We've upgraded to the Bose headsets. That's a big improvement. Let me hop over here and see something.
A1, rotate. Austin, you're up.
Station 9 uniform, contact departure.
Good day, 9 uniform.
Flaps up, yacht airport.
Flaps up 548, so maintain 2000.
Yeah, 2000, push at 548.
St. Louis, November 9 uniform, 1.3 for 3,000.
Number 9 uniform, St. Louis departure or contact, climb maintain 5000.
5,000, 9 uniform.
And 1 Delta Whiskey to maintain
5,000.
3000.
Down to 3, Delta Whiskey.
Number 0 Mike Echo to maintain 2500.
Alright, flaps are up, tail dampers on. Gears up.
Thank you, push at 548, permit heading over 26 left, localize, advise the airport inside when you can.
Airport's inside, push at 548.
Thank you, push at 548, cleared visual approach, right 26 left.
Clear for the visual 26 left, push at 548.
Number 9 uniform, contact departure 128.1, have a great flight.
28-1, 9 U.
Number 0 Mike Echo, cleared visual approach, right 30 left.
360, center line, southwest.
Number 1 Romeo Whiskey, Roger.
November 9 uniform, out of 3.8 for 5,000.
Number 9 uniform, St. Louis, proceed direct Maples, climb and maintain 15,000.
Up to 15,000 direct to Maples, 9 uniform.
Right, Maples 15,000.
992, turn left heading 180.
West 180, Southwest 992.
Southwest 1001, turn right direct J Hart. Southwest 19, contact Kansas City Center 127.27.
It's bumpy down here,
I
isn't it?
know it.
Good day.
I wasn't quite expecting it to be this bumpy.
South 1058, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb maintain 15,000. Number 85 Mike, contact Kansas City Center 134.5.
34.5.
They're smoothing out now.
Park Cessna 939, check in 16 for 5,000.
South 939, St. Louis radar contact, climb maintain
Hey, autopilot's
6,000.
engaged.
That's 6,000, Southwest 939.
Number 3 Delta Kilo, turn righty 020. Foundation 9er uniform, contact approach 125.32.
2532, 9 uniform.
November 671 Charlie Tango, contact approach 125.32.
741 heavy, clear visual approach, runway 17 right, following a southwest 737.5 miles ahead of you.
Clear visual 17 right, FedEx 741 heavy.
November 9 uniforms with you on the Susie arrival.
Station 9 uniform, Austin approach, roger, maintain published speeds or greater.
9 uniform, welcome.
Published speeds are greater.
King Air 111 Echo November is level 6,000.
King Air 111 Echo November.
5,000 set for MTech.
5,001
Hey.
Echo November.
220 knots published.
And Vader's behind us, 5,000.
190, 5,000.
Here we go.
1 Charlie Tango, Austin approach, roger. FedEx 741 heavy, contact tower 121.0, good day.
Switch it tower, FedEx 741 heavy.
King Air 1 Echo November, just to maintain 4,000.
4,001 Echo November.
King Air 1 Echo November, is traffic 1 o'clock, 6 miles southbound, the heavy DC-10 FedEx colors 2,200.
Insight for 1 Echo November.
1 Echo November, pass behind that traffic, caution, wait turbulence, your cleared visual approach on A17 left.
Pass behind him, clear to the visual 17 left, 1 Echo November.
6 for 5.
6 for 5.
Austin approach, Archer 671 Charlie Tango is established on the localizer 17 left.
1 Charlie Tango, roger. King Air 1 Echo November, contact tower 121.0, good day.
Remember the tower, you have a good weekend, 1 Echo November.
Alright. After MTech, we can go down to a hard altitude of 4,000.
Okay, 4,000 after MTech. I actually see the runway. Get out there at about 11 o'clock. 2 parallels.
Yep. There's Chitine.
Okay.
Or, I'm sorry, MTech.
Citation 9 uniform, airport 11 o'clock, 150.
Insight.
Inside, 9 uniform.
Citation 9 uniform, cleared visual approach, runway 17 left.
Clear to visual 17 left, November 9 uniform.
Hey, clear for visual 17 left. 175 on the inbound. I'm going to start turning towards the runway. And you can spin down
uniform,
that.
go ahead and slow up now, 180 or less on the speed, and contact tower 121.0. Have a good day.
1 air less, going to tower, November 9 uniform. Austin Tower, citation November 9 uniforms with you for 17 left.
Citation 9 uniform, Austin Tower, wind 160 at 17 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on runway 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, and I am slowing. Ignition's on. So I can't go down and slow down. I'm going to have to drop these speed brakes. Flaps to approach. Flaps to approach. Speed brakes retracted. You're down, 4-lane check.
You're down. Alright, gears down is 3 green. Flaps are approach. Flaps and yellow to go.
To go. Somebody on the runway. Flaps land.
Flaps land.
King Wagon number, Red Juliet, join Alpha, contact ground point 9, have a good one, man. Juliet on Alpha, ground point 9, you have a good weekend.
1,000.
Legion 180, visual 178. Legion 180, Austin Tower, wind 170, 17 right, good lane. Good lane, 17 right, Legion 180.
300. Minimums. $200.
And yellow to go.
Disengaged.
Delta 716, Austin Tower, 17 left, line up wait.
50.
Delta 716,
40.
17 left, line up and wait.
30. 20. 10. 5.
Speed brakes. Here we go. All right. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. I already put my bags down. Oh, see. Getting in about 45 minutes this morning. I believe this is a good area to be outside doing it. It looks like it's going to rain also, so I'm indoors doing it. They said to be here between 4:30 and 5. The race is over. Most of the other airplanes are gone. I'm going to start that APU. Maybe they stop for sandwiches or something. Got thunderstorms back home. We're going to have to deal with those. Okay, it's time to start the APU. Get some AC going. Cool it down. It's starting to warm up in here. Okay, everything looks good. Brakes set. Standby power's on. Okay, I just got the text. They're running 45 minutes to an hour behind. I think we're going to shut down that APU. There's no point in running it, putting time on it, burning fuel. We'll just shut it down, come in and enjoy the air conditioning.
You know, it is what it is. That's why people own a jet, so they can fly on their schedule, not somebody else's.
Right to 210, clear for immediate takeoff, 17 left, 9 uniform.
210. Clear to go.
1 to the left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 17 left.
Power set. Airspeed is alive.
Mike Charlie, Austin,
80 knots.
Slow and set Mike Charlie.
B1 VR.
Check code 4.
Buzzer rig.
Advisory rig, gear up please.
Selected.
Holding short, 17 left, we'll be ready to go.
Alright, gear is up, flaps up.
Selected.
Wiper on. Just about the end of the runway. Here we go. 210 heading right into the sunshine.
Yes, sir.
Uniform, thanks for the good roll, guys. Amend that heading, fly heading 190.
Happy to help, 190 for 9 uniform.
9 uniform, you can contact departure, good day.
Go departure, 9 uniform, good day.
Yeah, 455, clear direct payday, climb maintain 12000.
Direct payday up to 12000, United 455.
Departure citation November 9er uniform is out of 1,900 for 4,000.
Citation 9 uniform, Austin departure, radar contact. Maintain 4000, turn right heading of 290.
Right, climb maintain 4,000 right to 290 for 9 uniform.
Area 1 Foxtrot, Austin.
290, 4,000. I'm just going slow here, no reason to go fast going the wrong way.
Well, you're right about that.
Austin Center, request 114 Echo Alpha with 15.5, down to 3000.
One to go.
114 Echo Alpha, Austin approach, Austin Timbers 299.7, descend maintain 10,000, 10,000. 299.7, down to 10,000, 10,000. Air 90 uniform, traffic, 5 miles southwest position, northbound, 6,000, climb 7,000 is a Skylane, I'll have higher for you momentarily.
9 uniform. Inside 1,000.
United 455, contact Houston Center, 134.2, 34.2, good day.
34.2, United 455, good day.
Area 1 Foxtrot, Mr. Ident again, please.
And APU if you don't have already done. I think
Yeah, I got her.
After takeoff complete. That's right.
Air 901 uniform, traffic snow factor, climb maintain 9,000, turn right direct LOL.
That was for us, I think.
Was that for 9 uniform?
Air 9 uniform, affirmative, actually climb maintain 6,000, turn right direct LOL.
Climb maintain 6,000 right LOL for 9 uniform.
Area 1 Fox, show your radar contact.
Up to 6,000.
Airport 5,000, let me know 1 minute prior, please.
Thank you.
Flight 4263, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, 4,500 is a citation. They'll be climbing in front of you, cautionary turbulence. Air 9 uniform, traffic snow factor, climb maintain 9,000.
Climb maintain 9,000, 9 uniform.
9,000.
9,000.
Where am I going?
Well, you're generally heading north, so that's good. I'll redirect it again.
Skywest 3508, contact approach 125.32, good day.
There you go.
25.32, Skywest 3508. We have the 36 limit mic approach with me. Potential aircraft jumping event in the vicinity of the Fentress Airport, 8,000 feet below.
One to go.
Citation 9er uniform, climb maintain 12,000.
Climb maintain 12,000, 9 uniform.
Air 4 Echo Alpha, descend now to 8,000 across, or descend now to 8,000, pop pressure, maintain
Up
5,000.
to 12.
Yes, sir.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5,